Hi, my name is Michael McBurney. I'm an IT trainer specializing in the legal industry. And today's video is about conditional formatting with Copilot. And you might be thinking, well, didn't you do something very similar to that with conditional formatting with a formula? Yes, but the difference with Copilot and conditional formatting with a formula is instead of 8 or 9 clicks, you can do it with 1 or 2. This thing is really the bomb. I'm telling you, you got to try it out. Now, I have to be honest with you. You have to have a license to do this. So if you don't have a license for Copilot, you can't do it. But if you do have a license for Copilot, please try it out because this thing is super easy, super effective. Let me show you how it's done. In the last video, our objective was to identify all employees that had 25 years of service or more. And we did this with conditional formatting with a formula. We had to select the entire range. We went to conditional formatting. We chose with a formula. We selected the cell that had 25 years of service, which in that case was G2, which identifies the entire column where those, that years of service can be found. We had to change the absolutes to only look at the column. Then we applied a greater than and equal to sign, and then 25 years. So greater than or equal to 25 years. Then we had to apply a format, which was bolding of text and changing those rows to yellow, right? It was pretty easy to do. It was like a 2.5-minute video or something like that. But let me show you how it's done even easier with Copilot. This thing really is the bomb. Now, keeping in mind that you have to have a license to do that. And before I move forward, you're going to notice in the top left-hand corner of the screen, there's a data files button that is flashing. All my videos are fully interactive. So you can download this file and follow along if you like. With that being said, let's get to it. So under the Home tab in Excel, what I'm going to do is move over to the Add-ins group, and I'm going to select Copilot. You're going to notice that in the sidebar, when it opens up, you're going to see Create Formulas, Understand, Advanced Analysis, those are insights, Apply Color and Formatting, or Ask Copilot. That's what we're going to do here. So I'm going to place my insertion point inside of Ask a Question or tell me what you'd like to do. And see, it's kind of already identified the range A1 down to J92, right? So what we need to do is be very, very specific and give Copilot as much information as possible so that it's able to do its job even easier. So I'm going to say we're doing conditional formatting to all employees that have 25 years of service or more. Apply a yellow highlight and make the text bold. I'm going to click on the send button. Let's see what happens. It's working on it. Understanding your data, that's usually a good sign. It's identifying the range. It's finishing up. The apply button will become active. Let's see what happens. And boom, just like that, it went through the entire data set and identified all employees that have 25 years of service or more. This thing really is the bomb. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Take care and have a nice day.